Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle about the isotopes, atomic mass, influence of isotopes on atomic mass. This is quarter 2, week 3. And for the day 1, definition and significance of isotopes. Objectives: define isotopes as atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons. Show willingness to engage in group discussions and respect others' insights during the exploration of isotope concepts, and describe the significance and uses of isotopes in fields like medicine and archaeology. For motivational activity, let us answer these questions. The center part of the atom, okay, that is nucleus. The tiny part inside the atom that tells what kind of atom it is, proton. Number 3, atoms of the same kind but with different weights, okay, isotopes. This carbon isotope is used to study very old bones and fossils. Okay, carbon-14. This isotope helps doctors treat thyroid problems. Okay, iodine-131. The particle in the atom that can change and make isotopes. Okay, that is neutron. The isotope of carbon with 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Okay, carbon-12. The total of protons and neutrons in an atom is called mass number. These are used in power plants to make electricity. Uranium isotopes. This kind of atom always has 6 protons no matter how many neutrons. Okay, carbon. Let us start with this question. If 2 atoms have the same name like carbon, can they still be different? So what should be the answer? Isotopes are atoms of the same element, same number of protons but with different numbers of neutrons. So kung sasagutin natin yung kanina, yes, still the same name but they are different in terms of numbers of neutron. Every atom has a center called the nucleus, made of protons and neutrons. Protons decide what the atom is. For example, all carbon atoms have 6 protons but the number of neutrons can change. These different versions of the same atom are called isotopes. Kaya nga ang definition po ng isotopes, atom of the same element having different mass number. Kapag tinukoy natin yung mass number, nagkaroon na siya ng difference in terms of the number of neutron. So nagkaroon na ng pagkakaiba sa neutron. For example, look at this table. Okay, isotope carbon-12, 6 protons, 6 neutrons. The total number is mass number 12. Ipa-plus mo lang yung proton and neutron, ang tawag doon is mass number. And then yung carbon-14, 6 protons, 8 neutrons, 14 ang mass number. So kung titignan natin, same sila in terms of number of protons because the number of protons identify what is the atom. Ano ba talaga yung atom? Anong pangalan niya? Yun ang nag-identify. Nagkaroon sila ng pagkakaiba in terms of neutron. So pag tinotal mo yun, proton plus neutron, that is the mass number. So may pagkakaiba in terms again of mass number. They are both carbon but one is heavier. So ang obvious na heavier dyan is the carbon-14. So, what are the significance of isotopes? Carbon-14 used to date ancient bones like fossils, yung tinatawag natin na carbon dating or yung tinatawag natin na radioactive dating. So, by using carbon-14, scientists or archaeologists can be able to determine the age of that bones, kung gaano na ba siya katagal na namatay, yung tinatawag, using the so-called half-life of the carbon-14. The iodine-131 used in medicine to treat thyroid problems. Uranium isotopes used in nuclear power. Specifically, yung uranium-238 dito po sa uranium isotopes. Okay, let us answer these questions. What defines isotopes of an element? Okay, the answer is same protons, different neutrons. Which subatomic particle changes in an isotope? Okay, the answer is neutron. If an atom has 6 protons and 8 neutrons, what is its mass number? So, i-add mo lang po yan. The answer is 14. What remains the same in all isotopes of a given element? Okay, the number of protons. Which of the following is a pair of isotopes? Hydrogen and helium, carbon-12 and carbon-14, oxygen-16 and nitrogen-14, sodium and potassium. Of course, atom of the same element, that is B, carbon-12 and carbon-14. What is the charge of a neutron? Okay, that is neutral. The part of the atom where protons and neutrons are found is called the nucleus. Number 8. Which isotope is commonly used for dating fossils? Yan. That is carbon 14. Iodine 131 is used in which field? Okay, in medicine. Which of the following atoms is heaviest? So, carbon 14.